Hello, guys, and welcome back to another video at the Bit Blonde Crypto. I haven't been active, but of course, I've been trading. And today, let's just have an outlook on what is happening on the current market trend. Before we get into any content, I would love to remind I am not a financial advisor and I'm not looking to be. So, you must do your own market research as usual with a couple of years at this market. You notice that some things do repeat all the time. And that's what I want to just talk to you on the outside look. Um, Overall, I haven't been active at the big long trades, but if you follow me in other socials, you must know that I do a couple of things in blockchain and also outside blockchain. So sometimes I do daily trades, sometimes I trade for 3 weeks, sometimes I lose on the same day. Okay, so that is trading. Trading is not for everybody. And I love to keep this very, very transparent with all of you. Most of people will lose. I lost a lot of money. Well, it doesn't even come to the case, but I already spoke publicly about it. And I've been in the crypto industry for nearly 5 years at the moment. So in crypto, you got multiple ways on how to actually make money. Okay, you can invest long term, which is actually a project that I'm currently working on long term decentralized finance education, because I do believe that long term is for everybody and I want to make education accessible. I'm very passionate about education and finance. So that is why I've been a little bit outside promoting trading, because if you are in Web3, it's an entire conspiracy that you can't trade or you can't promote trading. Oh my god, these crypto influencers, they are terrible people, blah blah blah, they lucky, they got money from nowhere, shit coins, blah blah blah. Not my case, because I lost a lot of money and I've been on the market for almost 5 years. I lost a lot, I've changed a lot, like, and I've learned. Okay. So if you are not prepared to learn, you shouldn't step into this market at all. Okay. However, regardless of what people talk about me, this is my genuine opinion about the market. And you must consider always your financial individual circumstances. With that said, let's just talk about what could potentially happen on the long term token. Okay, let me go back to our screen out here. 1 second. We are streaming. Yes, here we go. Let me get myself into the screen. Well, maybe not. Okay, we're fine. We had something on Ethereum which I like to comment. By the way, I just opened a new long position on if I got cut on my previous one. As I mentioned before, sometimes I trade for 3 weeks, sometimes I trade for 1 day. It depends on multiple scenarios, depends on the market, depends how busy I am. It depends on multiple things. But on a long-term token, I am always doing everything I can to accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum, as I believe cryptocurrency is the future and also the present. And also, we have an entire ecosystem at the moment, and things are changing every single day. But however, the latest from Spot on Chain is a diamond hand whale with a 38 million profit is selling Ethereum after 8 years of dormancy. Between January 19 and February 23, 2016, when the price was only 5.24, they were 0x996 withdraw 16,636 Ethereum with a cost of 87,136 from a shape shift and held all tokens until today. 6 hours ago, the whale woke up and transferred all the Ethereum to the new wallet of OXE3E to sell totaling 437.79 with, yeah, I think I'm spelling it right. WEEWETH for 1.024 million USDT at 2.341. So we saw this massive dump on ETH, current holding 16,199 with. So that could be a sign for this new particular token, totaling 37.1 milli as total profit 38 million. Okay, will the whale sell more soon? That is the question. And we could see this in a bearish way and also in a very bullish way for Ethereum. So this is definitely a token related to Ethereum. But however, we have this drastic news of a whale selling some significant number. That is why I tell you, stick to the analysis and wait sometimes. Things need to happen before you take a decision, okay? But of course, it's not financial advice, as I always say. But personally, I am longing ETH again because, however, when it's a sell, someone is gonna buy, okay? And we have multiple people investing inside crypto. We have to consider news in both different directions, okay? You have to consider on a technical side and also on a logical side. However, we've been stuck for a massive time. Let's move to the daily and we can have a better look. Look at this. We've been stuck inside this consolidation for quite some time. And, we had summer. Every year, the market is likely to repeat the same scenario. And with time and some, experience, you kind of understand the structure. It could play differently sometimes, but most time it is the same. So if you notice, we still inside support and resistance, even on 4 hourly time frame with lots of movements to the downside. We are inside support and resistance on a daily still. And I personally believe that the market is playing out a lot. So definitely along for Ethereum with a stop loss somewhere around 2K 0.121 to be very accurate, which is the previous dip. However, if we don't hold this point here, it is therefore a bearish sign for Ethereum. However, it is a probability, and I do not think that will play out at all. Even on a long-term token, Ethereum went all the way up to 4,000 USDT. So even if we recover close to the 200 EMA period line, which is possibly to happen most of the time around 2,800 to 2,900, it is a significant return. Okay, so on the long term, look at this. If we just zoom out and zoom out and zoom out, we have a massive up run to go on Ethereum still. And I personally believe that the end of September, we will start to see crypto playing out again. It's quite crucial to trade at the current scenario that we have. So be careful if you are trading without a capacity to lose, I would say. And on a Bitcoin, I've been on BTC since the green cycle around here, 53,700 USDT, and currently in profit. Okay. Long-term token, I will always accumulate Bitcoin. I will definitely do it. And yes, as you see on the 4 hourly time frame, we are also embracing the 200 EMA, which is likely to happen the same on Ethereum. This 200 EMA line has to follow the entire graph all the time. So sooner or later it goes up and down, but it always go back to the 200 EMA. It is how the market, the long period is running, okay? So BTC is currently holding at 58,600. Looking into the daily, let's have a look if it's still a great opportunity. I would not long from the point that we are at the moment. Maybe you just want to wait a little bit if you're not in this position for a long time. Like on a BTC one, I am for 3 weeks on this position, and I spoke in other channels as well, such as Voice of Crypto. You can go and watch yourself. Um, so yes, guys, surprisingly, I was not cut. Okay, I wasn't cut off this position. So, anyways, I'm just gonna wait, even knowing that is extremely tiring. But sometimes you have to wait, and that's the problem. Most people they do want to rush into trades, and this is why I lost so much money in the beginning because I wanted to trade against my feelings, and that's not how it works. So, however, even if we go down, as long as I'm not stopped at this position that I've been on for 3 weeks, I will just wait and wait again. Okay. And yes, with that said, we can go back to CoinMarketCap, and I want to show you something as well. If you come here, you can see the top hot coins, and I want to show you the real world assets. If you are new in crypto, you might want to have a look on the top real world asset tokens by market cap, which is the most accurate website or point of data on a crypto today. Okay. So if you are new into crypto, not a financial advice, okay, but you want to be looking into real world assets, real world tokens, as everything will enter blockchain sooner or later. You want to come to this page and just do your own best research. Check if they have multiple pages. Spend some times watching the founders talk, watching the CEO or CFO, whatever, on YouTube talking. Do some deep research on real world asset tokens. They are likely to survive. They are likely to stay here on the long term as they are real world cases. Okay. So you have Chainlink, you have Avalanche. Those two I would definitely recommend. And on the IOTA, it's a lot of things going on the real world asset side. So I just wanted to close the video today telling you that if you have a time, we is still very early and the second wave is about to start in crypto. So I hope you can just come to the real world assets. I'm not even going to crypto bubbles today, but have a look on the real tokens and just start to DCA some of these tokens because the second wave is about to start in crypto. Do not panic on entering positions all the time if you're not a daily trader or swing trader or whatever, if you're not retail trader or any of this. But the long term, I definitely advise you to do your own market research and get some because on a long term token, DCA is always the best opportunity. Also, you have liquidity and other opportunities in crypto, which I can potentially bring another video. So yes, guys, with that said, I am currently longing BTC, Ethereum, and I'm just holding and waiting because as I mentioned, the market it is playing with loads of us and it is likely to continue. But by the end of September, sooner or later, you will see the second wave of the bull market. And with that said, I will close the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to follow the BitBlonde trades on the telly because actually we've got different groups at the moment because I'm not promoting trade because I do not want to have any headache with the Web3 industry people that can handle crypto trades. Okay. So for that, we have different groups for different purposes. And the BitBlonde trades is where I almost every day share something about my trades. And yes, guys, thank you so much. And I'll see you soon on the next one.